Rahul and Arun are working on an assignment. Rahul takes 6 hours to type 32 pages on a computer, while Arun takes 5 hours to type 40 pages. How much time will they take working together on two different computers to type an assignment of 110 pages? Well, we cannot assume the total work done here as 1. Why? Because the work done is given to you. The work done by Rahul is 32 pages and the work done by Arun is 40 pages. So it is given that Rahul takes 6 hours to type those 32 pages. So work done by Rahul, or the pages typed by Rahul in 1 hour, will be equal to 32 by 6. Similarly, the total work done by Arun in 1 hour will be equal to his work done upon the number of hours taken. So 40 by 5, and that's equals to 8. Now we can also solve this one. 2 times 16 is 32 and 2 times 3 is 6. So this is 16 by 3. So we have the work done by Rahul in 1 hour and the work done by Arun in 1 hour. So we can calculate the work done by both of them working together in 1 hour. And that will be the addition of these two terms. So work done by both of them in 1 hour is equal to 16 by 3 plus 8. And that is going to give you 40 by 3. So the basic meaning of this statement, that is work done by both of them in 1 hour, which is 40 by 3, is that they can type, both working together, 40 by 3 pages in 1 hour. So how much time will they take when they type 110 pages? So we have pages and time. So the pages when the time is 1 hour is 40 by 3. So what will be the time? Let it be x when they type 110 pages. This is directly proportional, so we can equate these ratios. So we have 40 by 330 is equals to 1 by x. These cancel out. Therefore, x is equals to 33 by 4. And now we can divide 33 by 4. Well, let's do it. 33 by 4. 4 8s are 32. So this is basically 8 1 by 4. So 8 1 by 4 hours. So 8 hours and 1 by 4 hours. And 1 by 4 hours is 15 minutes. So 8 hours 15 minutes is the correct answer. P can complete a work in 12 days working 8 hours a day. Q can complete the same work in 8 days working 10 hours a day. If both P and Q work together working 8 hours per day, in how many days can they complete the work? Well, let us first calculate the total number of hours that P and Q require to complete their respective work. So P completes work in hours will be equal to 12 days working 8 hours per day. So 12 times 8. 12 times 8, and that is equals to 96 hours. In the same way, the total time taken by Q to complete its work will be 8 days working 10 hours per day. Now we can calculate how much of their work they complete in 1 hour. So P's work in 1 hour will be equal to 1 upon 96. And Q's work in 1 hour will be equal to 1 upon 80. Now if they both work together, the total work they do in 1 hour will be equal to the addition of these two terms. And that will be 1 by 96 plus 1 by 80. And if you solve this, you will get 11 by 480. So if both work together for 1 hour, the amount of work done is 11 by 480. To fully complete the work, the total time taken by both working together will be just the reciprocal of this term. So total time is equals to 480 by 11 hours. Now this is in hours. What we want is in how many days can they complete the work working 8 hours per day. So the total number of hours is this. We want how many days would be if they work for 8 hours per day. So what we want to do is just divide this term by 8 to get the days, right? So this is basically equals to, if you solve this, you'll get 60 by 11 by reducing the terms, and that's going to be 5 by 11. So the answer is option A. A and B can do work in 12 days, B and C in 15 days, C and A in 20 days. If A, B and C work together, they will complete the work in how many days? Now what we have to do is to calculate the work done in one day. So in one day, A and B can do 1 by 12 fraction of the work. Let me write it in one day. A plus B is going to be the work done by both A and B is going to be 1 by 12. B plus C is going to be 1 by 15, and C plus A is going to be 1 by 20. Right. Now what we want is the total work done by A, B and C in one day. Well, let us add all of these terms first. What you get on the right hand side is 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. On the left hand side, what you get is twice of A plus B plus C. Isn't that true? Yes, that is. So this is twice the work done by A, B and C in 1 hour, and that's gonna be 1 by 5. On the left hand side I have twice of A plus B plus C, and therefore A plus B plus C is going to give us 1 by 10. So in how many they'll do the complete works, and that comes out to be the reciprocal of the work, the fraction of the work done, and that's going to be 10 days. Right, so our answer is option C. A can do a piece of work in 4 hours. B and C together can do it in 3 hours, while A and C together can do it in 2 hours. How long will B alone take to do it? Well, let us calculate all the work done in 1 hour by each one of these. So A can do the piece of work in 4 hours. So in 1 hour, the work done by A will be equal to 1 by 4. The work done by B and C together, that is B plus C, is equal to 1 by 3. And the work done by A and C together, that's A plus C, will be equal to, they do it for 2 hours, so 1 by 2. That is half of the work done. Now if we add these two terms together, we will get A plus B plus C. Right, and that is the amount of work done by all of these in 1 hour. That's equals to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. And that is equals to 7 by 12 when you solve it. So we have the amount of work done by all of them, and we have the amount of work done by A and C. So if you subtract the amount of work done by A and C from the amount of work done by all of them, you get the amount of work done by B, right? So B's work in 1 hour is equals to 7 by 12, that is the amount of work done by all of them, minus the amount of work done by A and C, minus 1 by 2, and that is equal to 1 by 12. So this is the work done by B in 1 hour. So how much it will take for B to complete the work? Well, you know the proportion. So X is basically the reciprocal of this term, 1 by 12, and that is 12 hours. So B will take 12 hours to do the work alone.